Before you decide to buy any generative AI software, there are some crucial things you need to know, especially if you're considering Genju AI. Comparing it to other options available on the market can help you make a well-informed decision, so stick with me till the end. The first thing you should know is Genju AI is designed specifically for businesses in Malta. That means if you're a business owner here, it's built with your needs in mind. Many generative AI tools are too broad, but this one tailors its features to help streamline operations like review acquisition, appointment booking, and invoicing for Maltese companies. Next thing, Genju AI stands out because of its ease of use. Unlike some other platforms that require a steep learning curve, Genju AI focuses on simplicity and efficiency. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. If you're looking for a software that you can integrate seamlessly without hours of training, this could be an excellent fit for you. The third thing to consider is the cost. While some AI tools require hefty upfront investments or long-term contracts, Genju AI offers a 7-day free trial with no commitments. This is a game changer, especially if you're testing out different platforms and don't want to be locked in right away. Next thing, Genju AI's features are all about automation. It helps you automate key processes like follow-ups for missed calls and messaging, which saves you time and resources. If you're tired of manually handling these repetitive tasks, this software could be exactly what you need. The fifth thing is how Genju AI integrates with your current systems. While other AI tools might struggle to sync with local software or other apps, Genju AI is designed to work well with existing solutions, ensuring smooth integration and less hassle for you and your team. The sixth thing to note is its focus on local customer support. As a business in Malta, you'll likely find that Genju AI offers personalized customer service that understands local nuances and your business culture, something many international competitors just can't match. The seventh thing is that Genju AI is scalable. As your business grows, you can easily scale the platform to handle more clients and more data without worrying about outgrowing it. Other generative AI solutions may require expensive upgrades or new licenses as your business expands, which can be a major downside. Next up, let's talk about reviews. While many platforms claim they help with reviews, Genju AI's approach is designed to help you acquire positive feedback organically. It doesn't just collect reviews. It works to ensure your business gets the right kind of feedback that helps your reputation grow. The ninth thing you need to know is about the invoicing feature. This is a major time saver, especially for businesses that deal with many transactions. Genju AI automates invoicing, meaning no more manually tracking payments or worrying about mistakes in your billing system. The 10th thing is that it's not just about automation, it's about quality automation. Many competing platforms throw a lot of features at you, but they aren't all useful. Genju AI focuses on delivering value by automating the tasks that actually matter to businesses. The 11th thing to consider is the free trial. The 7-day trial gives you a hands-on feel for how the system works before committing. This is a rare feature that many competitors don't offer, allowing you to test the software in your real-world business environment with no pressure. And lastly, let's talk about customer feedback. Users of Genju AI often praise its simplicity, local support, and the automation of key business processes. While every software has its flaws, the general sentiment is that it's one of the easiest and most reliable generative AI tools for businesses in Malta. In conclusion, Genju AI is a strong choice for businesses in Malta looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective, and efficient tool. However, if you're looking for a better solution with more features and an even smoother experience, check out our recommended software that you can try for free. The decision is yours, but make sure you're picking the right tool for your business needs.